One wrong decision with solar panels can cost you thousands of dollars, slash your expected savings in half, and leave you stuck with a system that doesn't perform anywhere close to what you were promised. Solar energy can be it can be an incredible investment, but beginners, they repeatedly make the same mistakes because they rush into the process without understanding how solar actually works. And if you're considering solar power, avoiding these mistakes can save you money, the frustration, and years of regret. And the first mistake is assuming solar panels eliminate your electric bill entirely. This is probably the biggest misconception in residential solar. While some homeowners they manage to offset nearly all of their electricity usage, many still receive utility bills because of the connection fees, the nighttime power consumptions, the seasonal variations, or systems that don't generate enough energy to cover every need. And solar drastically reduces electricity costs for many people, but expecting a permanent $0 bill sets unrealistic expectations, okay? The second mistake is buying a system before understanding your own energy consumption. Many people start shopping for panels immediately, yet they have no idea how much electricity they use each month. Your utility bills provide crucial information about your average consumption measured in kilowatt hours. Without understanding your energy needs, you cannot accurately determine how large your solar system should be. And some homeowners they overspend on oversized systems, while others install systems too small to provide meaningful savings. And another major mistake is focusing only on the price of the solar panels. Beginners often compare quotes based solely on the cost, assuming cheaper automatically means better. And however, solar systems differ significantly in panel efficiency, equipment quality, warranty terms, inverter technology, and installation standards. A lower upfront price may come with lower performing equipment or reduced durability, and potentially costing more over the lifespan of the system. The fourth mistake is ignoring the conditions of the roof. Solar panels, they typically remain installed for 25 years or more. And if your roof is already aging or requiring repairs, installing solar before addressing roof issues can become extremely expensive. Removing and reinstalling panels later to replace the roof adds considerable amount of labor costs that many homeowners never anticipate. Evaluating the roof conditions before installation can prevent major headaches in the future. Another common mistake is assuming every house is perfect for solar power, too. Roof orientation, shading geography, location, and available sunlight all influence that solar performance. Large trees, neighboring buildings, and certain roof angles can significantly reduce the energy production. Even homes in sunny regions may have limitations that affect the efficiency. A professional site assessment is essential because solar isn't equally beneficial for every property. And the next mistake is neglecting to understand not metering policies, the net metering policies, not okay, net metering policies. Net metering allows homeowners to receive credits for excessive electric sent back to the grid. But these programs, they vary dramatically depending on the utility provider and local regulations, which they shouldn't, but they do. And some areas offer favorable compensation rates, while others provide much lower credits. So, assuming all excess of electricity has equal value, you can lead to unrealistic saving projections and disappointment after the installation. Another mistake too that I've always seen too is beginners make is overlooking the role of the inverter. Solar panels receive most of the attention, but inverters are critical components because they convert the direct current generated by your panels into usable alternating current for your home. Different inverter technologies offer different advantages regarding efficiency, monitoring capabilities, and resilience against shading issues. And ignoring inverter quality can negatively affect overall system performance and long term reliability. And one of the most expensive mistakes is financing solar without understanding the terms. Many people become focused on monthly payments and overlook the interest rate, loan durations, the fees, and the total repayment amounts. Some financing arrangements can significantly increase the overall cost of the system. And solar may still provide financial benefits, but understanding the complete financial picture is necessary before signing any agreement. Another frequent mistake is, failing to consider future energy needs. Families often size systems according to their current electricity consumption without accounting for potential changes. Purchasing an electric vehicle, installing a pool, adding a family member to the household, or working from home can dramatically increase electricity demands. Design a system with future needs in mind can prevent costly expansions later. And many beginners also underestimate the maintenance requirements. Solar systems, they generally require little maintenance, but they are not entirely maintenance free. Dirt accumulation, debris occasional inspections, and equipment monitoring remain important for maintaining optimal performance. Ignoring that system maintenance can reduce the efficiency and delay the discovery of problems that affect energy production. Another mistake is expecting immediate financial returns. Solar power is generally a long term investment rather than a quick money making opportunity. Savings accumulate gradually over many years through reduced electricity expenses, but people expecting massive savings within a few months often become disappointed despite owning systems that are performing exactly as intended. And patience and realistic expectations are essential. Some homeowners also fail to research the installer credentials thoroughly. Solar installation quality matters tremendously because even a premium equipment can underperform if installed improperly. And beginners, they sometimes choose installers based solely on aggressive sales tactics or extremely low pricing without verifying the license, the certifications, the references, or customer reviews, even. Selecting experienced professionals significantly reduces the risk of installation errors and future problems. Another common mistake is ignoring the warranty. Solar equipment often comes with multiple warranty categories, including the panel performance warranties, product warranties, and workmanship guarantees. And understanding what is covered and how long coverage lasts and who is responsible for servicing issues can save substantial money if problems arise years later. And beginners frequently assume all warranties are identical when they can vary considerably between manufacturers and installers. And finally, perhaps the biggest mistake of all is rushing the decision. Solar power can provide decades of savings and energy independence, but it's also a significant financial commitment. Many people they sign contracts after one sale presentation without comparing quotes, researching equipment, or evaluating incentives, or fully understanding their options. Taking additional time to educate yourself and carefully review every aspect of the project dramatically increases the chance of ending up with a system that truly meets your goals. Solar power isn't complicated once you understand the fundamentals, and most expensive solar mistakes, they happen because people make assumptions, chase the cheap power options, or allow excitement to replace research. By understanding your energy usage, evaluating your properly carefully, researching financing and incentives, selecting qualified installers, and maintaining realistic expectations, you can avoid the pitfalls that trap so many beginners and make solar power the smart long-term investment it has the potential to be. Thanks for watching today. If you found value in today's video, please subscribe. We're looking to build this channel, and without you, we can't do that. So please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.